Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to create Zoom account. So let's start. First of all, open your browser. Once you open your browser, then search for Zoom. And here you can see the search results. Then click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, you will be redirected to this page. And here you can see the first option, sign up free. So click on the option. So once you click on the option, you will be redirected to this page. And here you can see the first question, verify your age. So enter your birth year. Then click on continue. Then enter your email address. Then click on continue. So Zoom will send a code on your email ID. So open your email. So here you can see the option open Gmail. So click on the option, sign in into your Gmail account. And here you can see the first email. So this is your Zoom code. So enter the code. Then click on verify. Now you will be redirected to another page. So enter your first name. Then enter your password. The password should contain your password must satisfy this condition. It must have at least 8 characters. It must have one letter, one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and it should not contain 4 consecutive characters. So choose a password which satisfies this criteria. So enter the same password here. And here you can see the option for educators. So check if you are signing up on behalf of your school or other organization that provides educational services to children under the age of 18. So select this option as per your choice. Then click on continue. And here you can see we have successfully created our Zoom account. So in this way we can create a Zoom account, and after creating a Zoom account, here we can explore all other options which are present over here, such as scheduling a meeting. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.